Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Apple gift card. So here we are on my iPhone. Let's get right into this. First thing you need to do is gonna open the App Store just like so. And once you are in the App Store, you can be any page that could be today games, apps or arcade search. They are all going to be fine. And then what you need to do is go and tap on the profile picture in the top right. It's going to be a celebrate of a single person just like so, and this is going to open up the account page. And from the account page, once it's load, you can then go and tap on redeem gift card or code just like so. And then we are going to go to a few different options of how you can on redeem codes. So you can either go and use your camera and scan the code, or you can go and enter the code manually. So if you wanted to use the camera, just tap on use camera and then you can scan the code, or alternatively or press cancel, you can go and tap enter code manually and then you can just enter the code and then you can tap on redeem and your credit will be then added to your Apple account and you can go and spend it on anything you would like. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.